Hi everyone, I'm Adam Silverman and I'm part of the sales team here at Stanpro. Today, I'll be presenting the Stanpro L3PNB panels that utilize next generation backlit technology, ensuring high performance and uniform lighting. Now let's take a look at the specs on the models that we have. The first versions is a multicolor, multi-CCT universal voltage fixture. It is available in a 1x4, 2x2, 2x4. It is 3 color temperature select with 35, 40, and 50K options. It's also 3 power select. Our 1x4 and 2x2s are available with a 20, 30, and 40 watt selection, and our 2x4 is offered in a 30, 40, 50 watt selection. All sizes are 120 to 347 volts. You can easily change the CCT and the power with a simple switch, as you can see right here on the left. You could directly adapt your lighting by using the switch that is easily accessible. Now let's take a look at the other model that we have. We also offer a single CCT and single power select version available in a 1x4, 2x2, and 2x4 sizes that are excellent choices when it comes to projects. Both fixtures, whether it be the multi-CCT, multicolor, or the single CCT and single power versions, come with a wide range of accessories for mounting. You have the option to make the fixture recessed, suspended, or even surface mounted. We also make your life easier by offering a larger junction box to facilitate your work. As you can see, adding the larger junction box allows more space for a smooth installation. Knowing all these features, the L3PNB is an ideal replacement for traditional fluorescent fixtures in offices, schools, and commercial buildings. So now, here are 3 reasons why you should choose the Stanpro L3PNB panels. 1, reduces your stocking inventory. 2, gives you more versatility in one product. 3, easy installation with a larger junction box available as an accessory. Thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to reach out to our sales team for more information.